I think there's nothing which is sudden actually, and I think the writing was on the wall in Australia when he dropped himself. I was the first guy to say that he should do that, because if you're not in good form, and again you just putting yourself again, and if you get out again, then you put the morale of the team down. And he's the guy I respect because he took that call. Sabhi ne bola tha ki, why a captain can sit out, but I said fine, I'm still the captain. Even in tennis, there is a non-playing captain. So we've got 15 people coming with drinks and all, and the captain can still be somebody who's not even playing on the field. But his mandate, his dogma, is there in the team. So I think it doesn't matter whether he's playing in the 11 or not. He's still the captain. Because cricket has got this ethos, this culture of the captain being the supreme. But suddenly that line has been blurred because we've got so many formats. And I think there were 7 captains playing in the Indian team. And then the vice captains also. And then you just told me that, 4.5 hours to pick the vice captain of India. So there you go. But anyway, I think Rohit has been great. I've been a big fan. And I can remember because Virat told me many, many years ago, when he was a youngster and he was from my academy, he was my prodigy. So he says, sir, Rohit Sharma is a player. Rohit Sharma, Ajinkya Rahane and Virat Kohli. From very early days, these were quality players. And they achieved a lot. ऐसा होता नहीं है, कई बार हो सकता है because it goes the other way. It went Amol Majumdar and Shikhar Dhawan also earlier on. Many players I can name. But you have to do a lot to keep it together. And his lazy elegance and his yo-yo test in isolation, so all worked out fine because in the middle. But and people say that Virat is more aggressive captain. I think Rohit Sharma is more aggressive. His style is something which is which is eclectic. He might look laid back, but his presence is attacking. You just don't have to be in your face. So I think Rohit has achieved a lot. He's realized that if he has to keep on playing, and just because of his IPL, people feel that they have to give up one format, and Test cricket is hard, and then you have to, at this stage, if he has to fight for his place, he knows there are brilliant players coming through, and I think it's a good choice. And King is dead, long live the king. I think the baton has to be handed over, and I think every team, if you're a mature Test playing country, it is not sudden because you are planning it, and the succession plan has to be very clear. That's why even the senior players who have done a lot, and they're still very good, but the teams feel that they have to go someday, and if they keep on playing, we might just waste the talent, and there's a tap on the shoulder. So succession plan, and senior players must tell the selectors and the team management and the cricket body that what is your plan. That's why we can just ease the other guys into it. And we've got brilliant players. I think captaincy now per se in Test cricket is also not the same what it used to be. But I think Shubman Gill is perfect. His stature and the kind of player he is. And KL Rahul was similar, but suddenly KL Rahul within 6 months is struggling to get in the team. If I talk about captaincy, but him being there with Shubman Gill. And I think it should be Shubman Gill because KL Rahul has missed that bus, but he can play the mentor now in the team. So I think these two guys will be doing it, and it's the leadership group. It's just not the captain. Of course, the brickbats come to the captain, the accolades come to the captain, but it's the leadership group, which is comprised of 4 or 5 players, and the coach. And Australia did this. It's just not the captain saying, "Okay, you will play." So I think Rishabh Pant could have been, but and I was the first guy who made Rishabh Pant the captain, and I removed Gautam Gambhir, and it was big hue and cry. And swords were out, and he was struggling because he was the naughtiest kid, the most talented kid. But I made him the captain because his quality was there. So I thought maybe just to mellow him down. And I think then when he became the captain of India, he called me. He said, "Bhaiya, you remember you made me the captain, and everybody was after me. Now I'm the Indian captain." So Rishabh Pant is a tempting choice, and but what happens in Test cricket especially is that sometimes his style of play can be very provocative. He can win you matches, but sometimes it looks very odd as a captain if he does that. So that might just hold against him. But I think there are 3-4 players who can do the job, and I think the baton has to be passed. And Test cricket will not be the Test cricket what it used to be. How long Virat plays. So I think whenever he's there with the team, he'll set the tone right and he'll leave it in a good hands. So I think it's not a problem of captaincy at all.